सब विद्यालयों से है न्यारा, हमको जान से प्यारा है, हमको जान से प्यारा है। ये हमारा और तुम्हारा सबकी आंखों का तारा, हमको जान से प्यारा है, हमको जान से प्यारा है।
Good morning everyone. Today 15 December 2023 is a momentous day for KVS. We are celebrating its 60th Foundation Day. The legacy of KVS began on 15 December 1963 when it was established. KVS is a system of central government schools in India and other countries that have been instituted under the aegis of Ministry of Education. Initially, these schools were named as central schools and later renamed as KVS. This is non-profit organization and is affiliated to the CBSE.
The motto of KVS is Tattvam Pushana Apavridum, which means to remove the covering, that is, the seeker may see the truth. The objective of KVS was to educate the children of Indian Defence Services personnel who are often posted to remote locations. This was then extended to wards of certain central government employees. By providing a common syllabus and system of education, the KVS intends to ensure that the children of government employees do not face educational disadvantages when their parents are transferred from one location to another.
As of April 2023 has a total of 1256 schools in India, 1253 and 3 schools in abroad in Kathmandu, Moscow and Tehran. It is one of the world's largest chains of schools in India. It is controlled by 25 regional offices and 5 Zonal Institute of Education and Training and a KVS headquarters. The Vidyalaya also has several committees for holistic development of the students. The most important one is VMC, Vidyalaya Management Committee, which is head of all committees.
KV has been felicitated with many awards by Government of India, including Rashtriya Khel Protsahan Puraskar in 2017, Rajbhasha Kirti Puraskar on the occasion of Hindi Divas in 2018-19 and also Teachers Award in 2023. Now let me name some of famous personalities who are alumni of Kendriya Vidyalaya. K.M. Joseph. He was Chief Justice of Uttarakhand High Court. He took his high school studies at Central School KVIIT. Anirban Ghosh, American neuroscientist. He completed his secondary education from KV Kochi and New Delhi. Kamampati Nachiketa, Indian Air Force officer, group captain, and also played a major role in Kargil War. He studied at KV in Delhi and joined the National Defence Academy, Kadakwasla. Nirupama Pandey, mountaineer, as well as first woman to climb Mount Everest from Bihar. She did her schooling from KV in Pune and graduated in Commerce from Nes Wadia College of Commerce, Pune, Maharashtra. Manish Pandey, a famous cricketer. He did his schooling in KV and later joined the Karnataka State Cricket Association.
Kendriya Vidyalaya gives more opportunity not only in academics but also in sports or co-curricular activities that leads to better personality development of students.
The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. A good education is a foundation for a better future.